Say, my name is Yoda because I looked like the abominable snowman when I was a baby. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Yeah. 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 What are you doing over there? You say hi? Hey. Yoda. Huh? Hey. Hey. What are you doing? Oh, you got food all over you, little guy. First big meal, huh? It looks like it. Whoa, look at that belly. I think it's time for you to poop and go to sleep, too. Say good night, everybody.